want to go over a brief little summary / lesson if you have one on secondaries.
Yeah, so I mean, a secondary offering is very simply, a company is looking to raise money, they have debt or whatever it may be, so they issue more stock, they issue more liquidity, and in order to, simply raise money. More supply, but it's going to equal less demand. Stock price is theoretically going to go down. Now, do you get lucky sometimes and these names get bought up? Absolutely. So here's what happened with the Playboy. So we were in this thing through these inside day highs. We caught this move. We did sell a lot, but the secondary came this following day. You see how we closed here at 53. They announced the secondary. We open up at like 47-ish, and it rips the whole day. So we do get a chance to take some more off into this pop, and really that's what we wanted to see. It's like we gave it the 15-minute rule, where, of course, you wait the first 15 minutes to put in a stop, let it put in that low, that reactionary low where buyers are going to puke out their stock, and then usually the stock rips up. We saw that great buying on the first day they announced that secondary. We did get to sell a bunch at the 52, 53, 54, but what they do, the stock was trading so well, they announced they upped their secondary this day and almost gave us 2 secondaries in 1 week, and then we had to give a lot of profit back. But lesson learned here was if you get stuck in a secondary, you do get that pop back. You just got to take profit. That's the lesson learned. We should have been taking much more off in this 55 area, this resistance area, even though things were going so well, because the trade had fundamentally changed. When we were buying this thing, there's a certain amount of liquidity. A couple of days later, there's a lot more liquidity, so there's going to be a lot more sellers in the name. So the trade is theoretically changing in that sense. So, lesson learned here, you get a secondary, you get a pop on the secondary, you take profit. It's really simple as that for me. And what was the other one? Leslie? Yeah, two in the same day. Unbelievable. I've never had 2 in the same year before. I had 2 in the same day. But same sort of thing. This day was the secondary. We were trading this name through highs, and we just got trapped in the secondary. There's nothing you do. There's no way you can see this coming. It's all inside information if you do see it coming. So whatever it is, it's a part of the game. But definitely sucks. But you just gotta know how to handle getting out of the stock if you do get caught in one.